Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glitter vinyl is probably one of the most exciting materials for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Its ability to add a dazzling sparkle to any project makes it a favorite for personalizing items, creating eye-catching signage, and adding a touch of glamour to home decor. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this glitter vinyl is sure to elevate your creations. Number 5. GIRAFVINYL Silver Glitter Vinyl for Decorations. Introducing the GIRAFVINYL Silver Glitter Vinyl. This permanent vinyl is perfect for adding sparkle to your projects. It's ideal for home and car decorations. The high-quality glitter adhesive craft vinyl creates different color effects. Under constant light, it refracts beautifully. This adds a unique touch to anything you create. This vinyl can be used on many surfaces. It works great on tiles, cups, notebooks, and walls. It's easy to apply and adds a touch of glamour. Each roll is 12 inches by 6 feet, giving you plenty to work with. You can design various sizes to meet your specific needs. It's perfect for any project. The high-quality materials allow for detailed designs. It has strong adhesion and won't fade. Use it to show off your personality. If you have any issues with the vinyl, contact us. We're here to help you with any problems. We are committed to providing excellent service. What we like. This glitter vinyl offers a unique effect with its constant light refraction, creating different color effects. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project, from home decor to car decorations. If you're looking to make your design stand out with a dynamic, eye-catching shimmer, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The glitter is beautiful and doesn't shed. Weeding was easy and the vinyl cut perfectly. It is easy to use and looks great on everything. Number 4. TECKWRAP Glitter Adhesive Vinyl Sheets 12x12. This pack includes 10 stunning glitter vinyl colors. They are perfect for adding sparkle to any project, from home decor to personalized gifts. The vinyl is perfect for a variety of applications. You can use it for scrapbooking, signboards, or even window graphics. Made with high-quality permanent vinyl, it ensures strong adhesion. It's water-resistant and fade-resistant, designed to last both indoors and outdoors. This vinyl is compatible with all craft cutting machines. It guarantees smooth cutting and easy weeding, allowing for precise application of intricate designs. Each pack includes TECKWRAP high-tack transfer tape. It's ideal for detailed projects, ensuring a perfect transfer every time. Remember to do a test cut before the full use. What like? With a wide array of vibrant colors, this glitter vinyl is perfect for any creative project. It's durable and long-lasting, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable vinyl for your crafting needs, this is the one to choose. What people say. It's more glittery than the official Cricut shimmer vinyl, but definitely use the shimmer vinyl setting on the Cricut. It cut perfectly, weeded super easily, and transferred first try with no issues. Very nice selection of colors. Also like the idea of 12 by 12 pieces, as these are flat sheets. I don't have to worry about back rolling them, rolled media, to take the curl out to use on my electrostatic base plate. Number 3. GIRAFVINYL Glitter Vinyl Sheets 21 Pack. Introducing the GIRAFVINYL Glitter Vinyl Sheets. This pack includes both matte and glossy glitter vinyl, offering a dazzling array of options for your projects. It's perfect for anyone who loves a bit of sparkle. Because this vinyl is thicker, you'll need to adjust your cutting settings. We recommend using a deeper blade and increased pressure for optimal results. Always test your settings first. Due to the vinyl's thickness and shine, you'll need a high-tack transfer tape to ensure a successful transfer. This will help you easily apply the vinyl to your chosen surface. This permanent vinyl is perfect for decorating various items. Use it on glass, metal, wood, plastic, ceramic, and more. It's great for personalizing gifts or adding a touch of flair to your belongings. If you have any questions or concerns about this product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are always here to help and ensure you have a great experience with the product. What we like. This vinyl bundle offers both matte and glossy glitter finishes, giving you plenty of options for your projects. It requires deep blade cutting, ensuring a clean and precise result. If you like to have a variety of textures and finishes, this is the perfect choice for your crafting needs. What people say. Great quality. I make stickers out of these and they look fantastic. Quality is excellent and unlike some, it's very adhesive and sticks better than most. I ordered the holographic and it's crazy vibrant. Great quality. I use these for my cups that I sell. Number 2. Cricut Glitter Vinyl, 6 pk, 12 by 11 inch. Want to add some sparkle? This holographic glitter vinyl is perfect for jazzing up your homewares. The pack includes gold, pink, blue, silver, purple, and orange. This vinyl sticks to almost anything. Whether it's metal, glass, plastic, or ceramic, it will adhere perfectly. You can use it on any surface. This glitter vinyl is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Create unique decals for your car or your home with it. The super strong adhesive and water-resistant surface makes it super durable against wear and tear. It's made to last, no matter where you put it. We believe this is the best glitter vinyl on the market. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. Buy with confidence and add some sparkle to your life. What we like. This glitter vinyl comes in a range of bright and bold colors, perfect for adding a pop of personality to any project. It's suitable for all surfaces and can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you are looking to create decals for your car or home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The color really is stunning and my customers love it. I use it for a 3-inch design and it does well enough but can be very fiddly with finer details. I have no other complaints, it cuts beautifully, sticks well, and weeds easily. The vinyl cut and weeded very nicely with my Cricut. The vinyl seems to be a good quality, it is of nice thickness, and as you can see with the picture, it glows quite vividly. Number 1. GIRAFVINYL Glitter Vinyl 10 Sheets for DIY Decor. This package includes 10 sheets of shimmering glitter adhesive vinyl in various colors. You'll receive popular colors like black, gold, and silver, along with others to perfectly match your project. Choose the best one for your needs. Each sheet of this vinyl measures 12 inches by 12 inches, which is suitable for most cutting mats. It's designed to work seamlessly with your cutting machine, making it easy to create your designs. For Cricut machines, we recommend using the Vinyl Plus setting with a pressure of 230. If you're using a Cameo 3, select Vinyl, Metallic with a blade setting of 3 and appropriate pressure. These settings ensure a clean cut. As a bonus, there are 2 sheets of high-tack transfer tape included. We recommend using this permanent glitter vinyl with the included high-tack transfer tape for the best results. This glitter vinyl is compatible with most craft cutters, die cutters, and sign plotters. It's perfect for art, crafts, and hobbies, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life. What we like. This glitter vinyl comes with a variety of popular colors, perfect for any project. It is the perfect size for most commonly used cutting mats. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use vinyl for your crafting needs, this is the one to choose. What people say. Exactly as described, vibrant colors, stuck to plastic very well, easy to cut and weed, a better quality vinyl for thumbs up. This is so easy to use, cuts easily, and it's so pretty. The colors are as vibrant in real life as in the pictures and are so pretty with the glitter. The texture is thick and with a glitter roughness to it that lends itself to the fact it's also a thick vinyl and so sticks incredibly well as soon as it's on the item. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.